good to have you here on my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw your blueprint or your guideline for your Kimke closure. I mean, when you want to ventilate your Kimke closure, how do you draw your blueprint before you start to ventilate? The significance of your blueprint is to help you make your ventilation process easier. So let's get right into the video. The first thing you want to do is to take your measurement. The measurement of a Kimke closure is 2 by 6. So we know our Kimke closure is 2 by 6. So now when you want to do that, the first thing you should understand is that is the width that is 2 and is the length that is 6. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to take our measurement here. Now we're not going to measure 2 inches, we are going to measure 3 inches. Why are we measuring 3 inches? Because you are going to have sewing allowance. So we're going to measure from here now to here. That is 3 inches. 3 inches. Then our length too is 6 inches, right? But we're not going to measure 6, so we're going to measure 6.5. You can add any amount of extra measurement you want. It depends on you, but I just want to add an extra ½ inch. So I'll be measuring 6.5 for the length. So from this point to this point, we'll have our 6.5 inches. We understand that our length is 6 inches, right? And our width is 2. But the extra inches I have added to both the length and the width is for sewing allowance. So what I'm going to do right now is to mark out the exact measurement that I need. Now I have an extra 1 inch to the width. So what I want to do now is to remove ½ an inch from each of these sides so that I can have 2 inches. Don't worry, you will get it. It's simple. So I'm going to remove ½ an inch here because I added an extra 1 inch to the width, and I'm going to remove ½ an inch to here. So from this point now, from this point to this point now will be the exact 2 inches that we need for our ventilation. You can see from here to here is 2 inches. So that's what I'm going to draw now. I'm going to connect the dots. This doesn't have to be perfect, right? But just have an understanding of what you are doing, of the entire process. Now, this is 6.5, right? So I'm still drawing everything together. Within this rectangle that I am drawing now, I'm going to have my exact measurement for my closure inside of it. Now, I'm teaching you how to do this because there are sometimes you go to the market and you want to get a Kimke closure lace and you can't find the exact Kimke closure lace in that size. So what do? If you have like a yard of Swiss lace or HD lace, you can construct using this guideline that I'm showing you in this video. So we know that our Kimke closure, this is our point of ventilation, right? And we have measured 6.5 here. But the length itself, the length is 6 inches. So I'm going to remove an extra ½ an inch in front. This is 6.5. This is 6.5. But our Kimke closure is 6 inches in length. So I'm going to remove ½ an inch here, this point. That's like the extra lace you see in front of your closure. So this is the point from which our ventilation will start. I'm going to draw this now. Don't forget, this is the point of the width. This is where the width is starting. The width is starting from this point to this point. This is the 2 inches we measured. Everything here is 3, but from here to here is 2. Now this is the exact measurement that we need. This is 2 by 6. Let's measure it. You see, from here to here is 2, and from here to here is 6 inches. So this is right here is the sewing allowance, because when you want to sew your closure to your wig cap, you need space to sew it. So when you are drafting your closure from your lace, you are going to use, just put it in mind that you're going to need extra space for the sewing. So you know your closure is actually not is not rectangular in shape. This is our measurement, the one in the middle, right? So we're going to measure 1 inch now from here to construct the base of your closure. So this is 1 inch. This is the part you are going to ventilate to cover the back of your closure. So this is 1 inch. This is from here to here now is 1. Don't worry, just follow it. You get everything that I'm doing now. So you know your closure is not going to be like rectangular in shape. So you are going to just draft out this part like this, like give it this curve here, like this. Now your closure will definitely have a middle part, right? So from here now to here is our 2 inches. So your the middle part will be 1 inch. So this is going to be our middle part. This point here is going to be our middle part. So I'm going to draw it now. Now this is your middle part. And this is your closure base. I hope it makes sense now. And this from here to here now is 2 inches. From here to here is 6 inches. So what you have here now is the extra lace. By the time you are cutting from your maybe your yard of Swiss lace or HG lace that you have, especially if you cannot find an already measured closure that is in kinky measurement, so you can just draft this from the lace you have. So this is your width and this is your length. So this is just what you follow. This one in the middle right here is what you need. This is the part where you need for your ventilation. This one here, just when you cut it, you can decide not to even add the extra 1 inch I added, but having extra 1 it just gives you enough space. You can decide to add maybe half an inch, then you know how you remove it from the 2 sides, if that makes sense. So I hope you understand this whole entire process. In my next video, I will be showing you how I use this blueprint, how I used it to ventilate a Kimke closure for a client. And I hope I didn't confuse you, but I was able to explain clearly. If you have watched this video to this point, kindly give this video a thumbs up for more people to see it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Also, if you have any question regarding this process, kindly drop it in the comment section and I'll be there to reply all your questions. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.